Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting out the video front facing again. You can probably guess why, but we will be flipping front down to do a plan with me in my personal rings, and we'll be closing out the previous week just to show you guys kind of how I go through that process. I've done a video like that in the past, and I thought it was time for an update. But first, I want to give a big thank you to today's sponsor. Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand, perfect for high quality, thoughtful gifts this season. I know I personally love this brand and their jewelry. I cannot say enough good things about them, and jewelry is a timeless, classic gift that's perfect for anyone on your list this season. And Luisa has you covered with gift-ready packaging that'll check one more task off of your to-do list. So here's kind of a little sneak peek at some of their packaging, which I think is just it's just so high quality and beautiful. And here's one of the items that they actually sent to me. These are gorgeous little hoop earrings that I really love. These are the Mariyea hoop earrings. Unfortunately, I don't have them in my ears right now. I'm going through a little difficulty with one of my piercings. I actually got my ears pierced when I was a child, and one of them, I think closed up, but they're gorgeous. I cannot wait to get it re-pierced to wear them. And then I also got this second little dainty, I think it's called the Alex necklace. I don't know. I'll have it linked in the description box below with everything that I have, as well as this gorgeous initial necklace. I love these two together. They make the perfect little layering moment. And yeah, like I said, I can't say enough good things. There's amazing holiday deals going on right now that you don't want to miss. So make sure you use the link that will be down in my description box below to check them out before they're gone. And yeah, thanks again to Luisa for sponsoring today's video. And let's get to the flip down. Okay, here we are. And I did thin the rings out since my last video. So updated flip coming soon. But I honestly probably might save it for the new year. I don't know. Let me know if you want to see an updated flip on what I took out and what is remaining. But I didn't add anything. It's all still the same stuff. So yeah. We'll flip to this current week. And, oh yeah, I have these I need to use up before Saturday. I added this really cute little card. So I bought a whole bunch of printables on Black Friday from my minimal planner, and I just added my color coding system on here. I changed it up a little bit, and yeah, I like that. So let me get all of my markers out, because I do color code. I think that's everything, yeah. And then I did write this out in pencil to remind me that I have a package coming that day. So this video won't be going up until Friday, but that's okay. It'll still be all valuable information. Oh goodness, I don't have my pen. So lately I've been using Emoji Gel, which Emoji Gel pen insert fits in this Zebra Sarasa Airfit body, as well as a Zebra Sarasa Grand. So I've been switching out my inserts and all my pens, because Emoji Gel is my favorite pen ever. Okay, let's see here. So I haven't actually been in my rings very much lately. I've been horrible. but you'll see why in a bit. I'm planning to do a lineup, like a 2025 lineup video, as well as like a lineup haul video, which I think will be fun. What am I looking for? Sorry, guys. Okay, I write out my laundry every week, and I actually started switching my towels. Oh, I didn't mark anything off. I started doing towels midweek, so I think what I'll, yeah, it does need to be listed first because all the other stuff is at the end of the week. So that's midweek, and I do just like a little MW, which could be looked at as Monday, Wednesday, but it means midweek. Okay, then we have the girls' clothes, my clothes, and then now I started doing jeans separate, so I'll combine the girls and my jeans together. Just makes, I try to like group by things that dry the quickest, or alike at least. And then I do athletic, so basically just like our leggings, whites, and then sweaters. My tracker, yeah, okay, AM skincare. This is all like the boring stuff. AM inhaler for Mariyea. I have not been doing vitamins, so I honestly think I'm just going to mark that off. I mean, I need to get into it again, so whatever. Vitamins, Mariyea homework. Water, movement. I have like really pared this down. There's still so much. So raw honey, and then we do PM inhaler, PM skincare, and then I'm super behind on December daily. I honestly might just forego it again this year and just swear off doing it ever again because I can never keep up. Okay, I bring over anything from this previous week. And I'm just gonna move that I need to go to Spectrum over on my monthly list because it never happens. And then whenever I actually do it, I will add it to that current week. I'll need to go to Dollar Tree either this week or next week. And then I need to order Mariyea's cake. And then I need to go to Party City to get decorations. Mariyea's birthday is next Friday. We need to do car tags and registration. 'Tis the season, right? That just needs to be done before the end of the month. But the sooner the better. And then I need to remember to get workshop materials together. Okay. So I have an order from Sterling Ink coming. My Planner Monkey Co. order still has yet to ship. And then I have an order from Commit 30 coming. Finally ordered my Commit 30 for the new year. The check just means that they've shipped, and then I cross them out once I receive them. So that's everything from the previous week. Now I'm gonna go to my budget section and bring over any bills that are due. So on the 11th, we have renter's insurance, and then Cricut Design Space, which I need to cancel because I just don't use it enough. Thursday, we have Stars and Prime. And then it's also Payday, which I typically like to write first, but I already kind of messed that up. Friday, we have a loan payment due. And then on Saturday, I have 2 PayPal enforce. PayPal number 3, PayPal number 2. I just so happened to do them on the same day, 2 weeks apart. And then Progressive. And those are our bills for that week. After I look at bills, so I use this to highlight. This green color is my budget color, and I just do the little $sign for bills, and then I highlight the whole thing for Payday. And then I go to my monthly, and I will write in the things that are going on for the week. So that basically, which I completely failed to mention, that is how I close out this week, by moving over the things down here from the previous week. And that's pretty much just how I close out the week. I do also do my weekly weather here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But I will need my phone for that, but that's kind of how that looks. And of course I already did laundry, so I'll cross out laundry once it's done and just do my habit tracking. I have not been doing my spending log. It's been actually a few weeks now, so I know I'm severely just foregoing that. I think it's because I just haven't been in my rings a ton. I refuse to let this planner go, though. I love this planner so much, and it works for me, so yeah, there's that. Okay, so Monday, I have my last class in my business math class, so I will write that up here. MGT 110, test number 7. And then my business plan project for my intro to business class is due at midnight that night. So I'll actually write it down here. Management 153, biz plan due. And then on Tuesday, actually, she moved the due date for this, so that's why I put it over here. So there's nothing on Tuesday. Wednesday, I have a holiday craft at the girls' school that I'm volunteering for, so I will put 11:30 to 1:30, and then I'll just put holiday craft. Thursday, I have a workshop from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'll just put workshop for that. And then I need to pack the girls' lunch this night. So put pack lunch. Oh yeah, and then Mariyea has gymnastics. So 6 to 7 p. Gymnastics. And then my Ana Luisa, so this video will go up on Friday. I wrote that really weird. And then by midnight this day, I will do MGT 153. This is literally the last thing I have to do this semester, so I'm so excited. Exam, but I am not ready for this exam. And then on Saturday, we're going to the Santa house, which is so exciting. We go every year to our local Santa house, and it is the cutest thing. It's like a North Pole house. It's so much fun. And it's been there ever since I was a child, and I love taking the girls. It's our annual tradition, and I get pictures taken, and I buy like 4 copies for everyone. Well, it's one for us, one for Michael's mom, one for my mom, and then one for my grandma. Even though they live together, I know they like to have their separate things. Okay, so I know here we're doing pizza night for just because Wednesdays are long days, or short. They're just tricky because of gymnastics. I use purple to highlight anything to do with me or my school. It's mainly been for school as of late. And then pink is anything to do family or with like the girls outside of school. This is for their school, so since I have that holiday craft. And then, oh yeah, I almost forgot. Friday morning at 9 a.m. I'm reading with Mariyea in her class. I volunteer in her class, and I'm able to like sign up to just like read with just her every week, which is super fun. This I will highlight, even though it's I don't know, should I do it for, yeah, I'm gonna do it in my color since it's just for me. My gray is for like general events, which that's not a general event. Alright, I think that is everything. So I put anything for like the specific day, this one's pertaining to me too. Oopsies. Okay. I put any like big event for the day up top and I only do the top. I only like made the top boxes for Monday through Friday. The weekends don't really need them. And then the bottom boxes are even on the weekends. Those are my spots for meals for the week. And then these are just general to-do lists that I like to track things in. And hopefully we can get back to tracking our spending. I really should have been using that more this season especially, but it's okay. But yeah, that is everything. That's my week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to check out Ana Luisa. All of the information will be down below. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.